Welcome to the second episode of my forever hardcore world in Minecraft. My name is Lubante. Thank you so much for stopping by. And today, we are going to do something in the village. Yes. So, iniisip ko na kailangan nating gawin na yung wall para lang maset na natin yung boundaries or yung space natin for our pre-colonial Philippines barangay. What I'm planning to do is i-alternate yung bamboo blocks with bamboo fences kasi napansin ko mukhang bamboo din yung fence niya. I believe kailangan ko din siya lagyan ng konting mga hay kasi alam ko parang ganun gawa yung walls ng pre-colonial Philippines eh. Hindi naman dahil wala silang idea about using stone sa mga wall or buildings nila. Pero kasi, yun ang pinaka efficient way para i-tackle na laging lumilindol sa Pilipinas nung panahon na yun. Until now naman laging lumilindol dito. Pero, ayun nga, mas matibay yung walls kapag gawa sa wood. Medyo hassle lang talaga kasi mahirap gamitin yung... Hindi naman mahirap gamitin, pero mahirap siyang mahirap gawin yung bamboo kasi nga 9 pieces of bamboo before ka makagawa ng blocks. So, as you can see, naubos agad yung almost stack natin ng bamboo blocks. So, I'm planning to look for a jungle uli na hindi ganun kalayo para lang just in case kumuha na tayo ng madami kasi medyo matagal talaga kapag iniintay na mag-grow yung bamboo eh. Oh God, this is a bad idea. I almost died. May creeper biglang lumabas pero nakakita ko ng jungle. Pero gagi, yung kaba ko. So, oh my gosh, wait, may paparating. Oh, no. Wait, run. Hardcore to. Oh. Wait a second. Andiyan pa ba sila? Uy. Ang tawag dito? Pale Oak Forest. Gagi. First time ko makakita nito actually since the update. Ang cute. So parang siyang moss. Parang siyang gray moss, man. So, we ended up not collecting any bamboo from that jungle forest kasi wala akong nakita. So, the plan is gumawa ng automatic farm ng bamboo. Kailangan ko na observer. Pero the thing is, kailangan ko pala na tong white na to na nasa nether. Tignan ba natin kung ano yung kailangan natin. Yung nagpo-push, anong tawag doon? Ayun. Okay. So, redstone lang, pati yung white thingy yung wala tayo. So, I guess we need to create a nether portal. Here we go! Sana hindi ako mamatay though. Ayun! Okay, good job. So the only thing we need para magawa tong automatic farm ng bamboo is redstone. Since we're going down the caves, kailangan kong i-upgrade ng konti yung gamit ko. So ito meron akong iron helmet, chest, pants and boots. I think I'm ready. Easy peasy. Kailangan ko ba mag-enchant? Wala pa akong enchanting table eh. Pero feeling ko kaya naman na to. Wish me luck, bruh. Fuck, I wasn't recording. So, ayun ulit. Feeling ko hanggang 2 episodes lang talaga tayo eh. Kasi last series ko, 2 episodes, namatay din ako agad. Ngayon, namatay na naman ako. Actually, nakumpleto ko na yung ikot ng walls eh, as you can see. Sayang man. Sayang. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. You know what? Mag-restart tayo, mag-reset tayo. Gagawin ko ulito. Pero I'll be more careful and maybe hindi na hardcore. Pero kasi boring pag hindi hardcore eh. Sige, pag-isipan natin. Pero thank you so much for watching. Have a great day you guys. Goodbye!